In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a table in Notion. If you're organizing notes, tracking information, or building a simple workspace, adding a table in Notion is one of the easiest and most useful things you can do. Notion makes this process very quick, and once you know where to click, you can create a table in just a few seconds. To get started, open Notion and go to the page where you want the table to appear. This can be an existing page you're already working on or a new blank page if you want to start fresh. The important thing is to place your cursor in the area where you want the table to be inserted. Notion uses blocks, so wherever your cursor is, that's where the new table will appear. Once you're on the correct page, type // on your keyboard and then type the word table. This / command is one of the fastest ways to add content in Notion. As you type, Notion will automatically filter the available options and show you blocks related to tables. This helps narrow things down so you don't have to search through a long list manually. When you see the filtered results, click on Table. This will insert a table into your page. From there, you can begin adding your own content into the rows and columns. If you're creating a simple layout for information, this is a great starting point because it gives your page more structure and makes everything easier to read. A helpful tip here is to make sure you select the table option that matches what you need. In Notion, table-related options can sometimes include different formats, so choosing the one shown in the filtered results is the key step in this process. If you don't see it right away, just make sure you typed the / first and spell table correctly. And that's it. As soon as you click table, your table is created and ready to use. This is a simple but powerful feature that can help you organize projects, notes, lists, and reference material much more effectively inside Notion. Now you know how to make a table in Notion. Once you've added one, you can continue customizing it directly on the page to fit the kind of information you want to manage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.